How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add, move, and join objects in Meshmixer. So if you want to add more objects, you can click on the import button, and from here you can just click on the append to simply add more objects. And let's say that we want to add this object onto our plate right here. So let's just click on open, and then basically from there it will just add it onto our object. Now if you want to join or basically move each object individually, you have to make sure to select the object first. You can also see the object browser if you have multiple objects on your project right here. So let's select our bunny, and then you want to navigate through edit, and then we have the transform button. From here you can transform this to wherever you want to. You can use the parameters or the properties, or you can simply use the buttons right here basically to make things easier. Basically, after adjusting your model the way you want to now join them together or to combine them together, you want to highlight both objects. So in my case, I'm going to highlight this bunny.obj, which is object, and my STL file, and then this will show up. So you just want to click on the combine button, and basically from there they will be combined into one object. So if we click on transform, we will be able to simply move them together as such. Of course, you can edit this the way you want to, but that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.